Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. So my design team project this week is going to be part of the weekend challenge over at Scrapbooking with Me, the boutique on Facebook. We have challenges every weekend, and this one was the sketch challenge. It's usually the first weekend of every month. So you can pause here, take a look at it, and join along with me. So some of the mixed media part of it, I decided not to do. I really didn't want to use any colors. I just solely wanted to use, for the most part, the kit. I do some splatters at the end, but it's not very mixed media. You know what I mean? Like trying to do the colors and stuff on the background. I'm not doing that part. So I'm taking what's left of this one sheet. I used it in a previous card video, and I'm cutting out, doing some quick fussy cutting of some of the big clusters, the flower cluster, excuse me. And then I'm even taking this one here that's kind of like cut off at the bottom, and I'm going to cut this one out and use it as well. And then I believe I cut at least 1 to 2 more. And we're going to go ahead and put this project together. I am using the January kit. It was the Echo Park Coffee Collection. I'll be using the flowers and some of the ephemera pieces. And I believe even some of the stickers. So I'm going to let the music play and let you guys enjoy the process. and now that we're adding just a few more finishing touches, this particular sentiment, the beauty, actually came from a kit from another company that I get, but it's just so pretty. And you know, the one thing I love about crafting supplies is you can intermix it with so many different things. And I recently just got this spray. It's the Tim Holtz, let me see, the mica spray. This one is the tarnished brass, and it's a really pretty color, and I think it's going to work really well for the splatters. At first I was splattering and I didn't have my photo covered, and I was like, that's not going to work. But I just wanted to kind of tap around the edges and add some of this on. And what I like about splattering when you don't use the gesso is that it really is absorbed into the paper pretty quickly. Whenever you're using gesso or other mixed media products, sometimes it sits on top because it's the gesso and stuff like that. It's a barrier, so it protects it from just seeping right into the paper fibers. So it doesn't take long for this to dry, and I just hit it real quick with some of the white, the black, which are my go-tos, and then you have this antique brass that gives it a little bit of an interesting shimmer on it, and the project is done. And what's great is I used a collection that was about coffee, and yet the photo looks nothing like coffee. Like, there's nothing about it that says coffee, and you can still use the collection, you know, because I love when they mix that kind of stuff where it's, you know, solids and stripes, and then you have this really pretty floral and with a fun picture, and there you have it. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will have links down below to the Scrapbooking with Me. All their links will be in the More section. And of course, mine to my social media will be there as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can feel free to leave them down below. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see you guys with our next video.